Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to paint your valve cover with the wrinkle red. These are the items you're going to need. You're going to need Vaseline. I use Vaseline to cover the letters with it. I put a very light coat on top. That way it's easier to take off later. A razor blade, a scraper with fresh blades. That way you can scrape the letters, whatever remaining paint is on it. Brake parts cleaner to clean off whatever paint is left on it before you spray it. This is the paint stripper I'm going to be using. I tried the aerosol type too. I didn't like it too much. So I'm going to try this one with the brush. And then you're going to need some tape to tape off the spark plug holes and the oil cap and all that stuff. Alright. Fuck. Forgot the ground. Alright. Now I'm going to take all these bolts out, the oil top, and the filter, and the bracket. Alright guys, here's the valve cover. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spray it with aircraft remover. Here it is. Now all you're going to do is just spray it on there. Oh yeah, I can see it already starting. This is the same stuff I used on my wheels. I still gotta finish my wheels though. Oh yeah, you can see it bubbling. Holy cow, that's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll get back to it. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of the paint stripper with the brush and I'm just going to brush it on there. Gotta get some on there like that and just spread it all around it. Careful getting this stuff on your hands, it will burn, especially if you have open cuts or anything. This stuff is pretty bad, it's like acid. So just spread it all around the valve cover, get it all over. And you'll start seeing it like bubble. It'll start eating this stuff off. It's like a gel. Oh yeah, I already can see it. It's peeling it off already. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, like I said, this stuff's strong, so be careful with your hands. So I'm going to just keep coating this. Coat it enough until all of it's covered. Get it in all those crevices and everything. That's also why I like the brush, because you can push it into those crevices. Look at that, it's just taking that off, which is nice. So, but use what you prefer or what you can get. I actually like this better. It's my first time using it with the brush, and it's actually pretty nice. So, this was like $8 at Walmart. And the brush was like $1.90 or something. It's cheap. So yeah. Alright, after I put it all over it, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then put another coat on. Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm going to get ready to paint it now. I masked everything off with tape and the letters and then just cut it out with a knife. And now we're just going to spray 3 coats of this. You're going to spray it once, 1 coat this way, 1 coat this way, and then 1 diagonal. Gonna let that sit for 10 minutes and then get back to it. Okay, this is after 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna spray cross again, this way, instead of going this way. And then we're gonna do our diagonal. Alright guys, I now have the diagonal coat also on it. So let it sit for 10 minutes between each sequence. So you're gonna go first across, and up and down, and then diagonal. So what I did is I went across twice like this, waiting 10 minutes each, so 20 minutes for left to right, and then another 20 minutes for up and down, and then another 20 minutes for diagonal. So you're gonna have 2 coats on each. I want it thicker, and I've been heating it up as well with my heat gun. I've been heating it up each coat, so if you want to do that. And so far it's coming out really nice. No runs or anything anywhere from what I can see. I keep getting little gnats flying on it, so I'm praying it doesn't mess up the paint, because it's going to get wrinkled anyways, but I don't want to have to dig them out. But yeah, sorry it's getting dark out now. I get home late, so by that time I only have like maybe 2 hours, and doing each coat takes time. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so I sprayed the final coat. Now I'm going to heat it up and just keep going back and forth on it lightly. Alright guys, now you can see it's starting to wrinkle. I'm going to keep on applying heat to it for another, I don't know, 10 minutes, or until it's completely dry, not glossy or spotty anywhere. So just keep heating it up. Be careful. Alright. Okay, so now, while the paint's still tacky, I want to take all these stickers off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Show you guys what it looks like. Just need a little bit of touch up here and there, but letters I'm gonna pull off next. As you can see, it has a nice wrinkle on it. So let's get those letters off. It's a hoe. Nice. But bam, that's the final product. I'm gonna just sand this O a little bit and the H. I'm gonna get it a little bit more cleaner. Got just a little bit of overspray on it, but as you guys can see, that detail on that. Holy cow. Look at that wrinkle. It came out really nice. Yeah, heating it up, each coat definitely made the difference. This is actually like my third time actually spray painting this with the wrinkle stuff, because I couldn't get the wrinkle to come out nice or even. Came out blotchy in a lot of spots, and the letters were all messed up because I tried using the Vaseline, but since this stuff wrinkles, it kind of gets over the side and it messed up the whole thing, so I just sprayed it all down again. So, but this way it's definitely better. Use some of this tape. I believe this is 2-inch wide. Use this across the letters and then cut it out with a razor like this, so you can get it nice and fine. Cut it with one of these. It made a huge difference. I didn't have to sand nothing. So, but I'm gonna sand it a little bit anyways, just gonna touch it up. But now I'm gonna let it sit in my house overnight to completely dry before I put it back on the engine. Then I'm gonna put the new valve cover gasket in and the new gaskets. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, I got my new 90-degree angle oil feed line. As you can see, it's no longer gonna hit it. This is the old one. I'm gonna show you what happened to it. See that? There was a lot more rubber on it, but I was peeling it off just to move it. But yeah, this is the one that was straight and it was leaning up against it like that, and it burned a hole in it, so that's why I got the 90-degree, and it fits perfect. I'm gonna have this going up, looping, and it's gonna go where the old one used to be. I gotta finish putting on my valve cover. Yeah, can't wait. The heat wrap, I'm still waiting for it. I'm just gonna put this on like this so I can actually drive my car again. I don't have to worry about it now resting on that. So, yeah. It's all finished. This camera off here. No leaks. And to those that are going to say, oh, you should have it going straight up and down, there's pressure coming through this line. Oil will shoot right through this, so don't worry about the turbo getting oil. It's getting oil. But it looks really sweet with the new valve cover on it. Idling fine. I'm just bleeding it now, just making sure. So I lost coolant when I took the head off and everything, so far so good.